Hi, I'm Leighton from Bartek Switchboards Racing. This is our tow gear, 200 series Landcruiser, 4.7 litre petrol, fitted the Bullet Supercharger kit, and we started to do some mainland long haul runs. Just come back from a 2300 kilometre round trip to Bathurst from Hobart to compete in the Sky Sands combined sedans class at the Bathurst 12 hour. With the blower kit, it enables us to not only maintain speed going up hills but also accelerate if need be. We were able to keep in a lower gear, use the torque of the kit provides rather than just revving the petrol engine. This car gets used every day for not only towing but for transporting kids around, so it was important to not only have something that could tow well but also reliable and very driver friendly. This is what we tow.